What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dariano, and I got a good one for y'all today. We're doing a review on a studio mixer stand. It's by a company called Griffin. I'm about to see if it's hot or not. So without further ado, let's hop on in. All right, let's get on in here. Let's open this up. Let's cut the tape. Oh, we got the invoice right here. Y'all, they even give you a little brochure. Look at this little flyer. Look, and they give you 15% off. This is nice. Okay. All right, Geek Stands. Geekstands.com. All right, y'all. I'm about to open this box up and get in here. All right, y'all. It's a Griffin Studio Mixer Stand with wheels. So we got casters in here. Let me grab this box cutter so I can cut this boy open. See what we're working with in here. You know, a lot of these products you put together now, if you include Allen wrenches and everything in kits. So we're about to open this up and see what's in here. So far, I'm already liking it. I'm liking what I see. The quality of this. Okay, this is the actual stand for the mixer. Okay, that's straight. This is probably the center for it. All right, so let's see what we have here. We have the literature, company information and support. Thank you for your purchase. Boom, they give you the instructions. Let's do it. Because I'm a man, we normally don't even read the instructions. I know I don't. I normally just start putting stuff together. Got this right here. Like that. Screw this in. This right here, let's go in. Okay, we pull this. Slide it free. So you got three different points. All right, and then we take these right here, thread through one end of the pole, screw right there, screw right there, wash on this end. Cool, it's locked in. Or you do it like this. Lock it in. Hear that click? So you literally pull on this tab and it releases it. Once you adjust it with one of the three mounting holes right here, 1, 2, 3, for your tilt angle. I think I'm gonna roll with mine like that. And the cool thing about this, you can adjust your height too with this tab. Grab it, slide it up. All right, last thing left to do is put the casters on. Y'all, this thing literally only takes about really 5 minutes, 10 minutes to really put it together. Here's the stand. Casters, they roll pretty good too. You need a stand. I'll be sure to include this in the description. It'll be my affiliate link, whenever you pick it up. It definitely helps out the channel and I can keep reviewing stuff for you guys. And they didn't sponsor me for this. This is just an addition that I needed for my studio. So I needed space. I ran out of desk space and I got all these attachments. So this, I think it's gonna work real good. Like, I'll have to come back with another video to show y'all how it stacks up in my room. I'll do it in another video. All right, guys, thanks for watching.